Rushing over my topic in 3 minutes maybe. So this is something akin to what Dr. Deshpande sir was telling us, that medic is not always to be blamed. I also believe on this because sometimes he's under a government, he's working under someone. He's not the only person who is responsible for everything, every workup which is taking place in the OPD and OT. So the medic and the mass media, the melodrama which ensues. The irony is that after cluster endophthalmitis, a surgeon needs to produce self-evidence that he or she is not guilty. And after murder, the victim, family or friends, they need to produce evidence that the murderer is guilty. So you just note the difference. And this pronouncement reflects on the surgeon's and the murderer's attitude. Is this right? Keep calm, take a break, matter will take care of themselves. This does not happen. I will say keep calm, but you need to take charge. To handle mass, you need to take charge to handle mass, the public and the patients. For this, a surgeon needs to communicate to the department and hospital authorities if he's working with someone, under someone. Next, he needs to show compassion and concern for the patient. This is of course natural, but this is a wild period. You'll be getting all wild questions. You need to be patient, be polite, be wise, and consult wise men. Not all men, don't waste time, just consult the wise men. Be tactfully truthful, be confident. Then next, how to face the media. For the surgeon, communication. Communication is communicate to the department and hospital authorities. If they are with you, if the hospital spokesperson is mature enough, experienced enough, then your burden is lessened. He'll handle the media. Attitude, avoid controversial statements, maintain a balanced attitude, and the action is discussed with ophthalmic state and national societies. This should be done early on. I believe this. As Dr. Anant has told already, AIOS is with us. State societies are mostly with the surgeon. Press release, paid news, and legal action, this all happens. Paid news is there, both positive and negative paid news. I have experienced that myself. It depends on you whether you want to go for it or not. Legal action, it depends whether you want to take it. It's worth vesting or giving your time, effort, and energy to what your future will be after this legal action. For the hospital and the department, what should be their attitude towards media? First is communication, understanding, empathy, neutrality. That should be done to the surgeon, and they should take responsibility. So they should not just shrug it away. Everything to the surgeon should not be blamed on that he was a person who is responsible. They should take some responsibility. Offer information to the media rather than just finger on lips and hand on your mouth, and when that hand goes to mouth and the nose and the surgeon is stifled, we never come to know. So rather than keeping mum, it is always better to offer some basic information to the media. There are some news items I won't go into detail. I have taken the past ones, not the recent ones, for obvious reasons. So this Motiabind Kand, this word is very interesting. I don't know from where this word has come, and I would like this to be taken out from the Hindi dictionary. I would like ophthalmologists to go for it. So if the department, the hospital, and the surgeon is not going to the media, the patients, they always go to the media, and you get all such absurd reports. अस्पताल प्रशासन हमसे लिखवा कर ले रहा है कि हमने मर्जी से छुट्टी ली है, and all those who know Hindi, they can read it. Such images, such picture put, they are taken from other source and they are put into the news item. It reflects as if the same surgeon is doing the surgery in the same setting. It is not so. I appreciated this article, a recent article 2018, which stated that the expert team which is investigating a case of cluster endophthalmitis is actually not that expert. It also needs recommendations, and the final conclusion was that post-operative endophthalmitis is a multifactorial event. So we need to just accept that there is going to be a whole lot of melodrama after CE. What you need to do, you deal with the mass and media and then just accept. And crying is not allowed. That's a crap. You just cry, get over with it. Think on the positives, think on the experience you're going to get. You may get an IC on a national platform. You may give some presentations, write article to the editor, revelations, who are your true friends. You come to know re-evaluations on self, what practically and surgically you were doing wrong. This is the request which I would like to do from this podium. Just mark that hand. So support to the person and organization, to the ophthalmologist, that needs to be given, who is facing the cluster infection. We all ophthalmologists should come on the same platform and try to do this to our colleagues, junior or senior. Endophthalmitis, as we all know, as already said by me, it is not an end. for the eye, for the surgeon, and for the hospital. This is my email ID and WhatsApp. I have personally gone through this experience. Those who want to know firsthand, there are many things which cannot be openly shared on this platform. They can contact me, and this is mainly for the handouts, because I could see some sorry faces when those handouts were distributed. The number was limited, and many have not got it. So you can always WhatsApp or email me for the PDF copy. So any quick questions? All the speakers are here. Any quick questions from the audience? Okay, thank you. So I think I wrap up this session. We are bang on time. It's 10:25. Thank you all. I thank my co-instructors for participating. Thank you.